All right, guys, for today's workout, we have encore. There are two parts to this workout. We have a rest of 2 minutes in between, but what we're going to do is at 0 minutes and 5 minutes, we're going to do this first part of work. And that consists of 21 over and back dumbbell hop overs. And I'll show you what that looks like in a minute, but it's pretty much just the way it sounds. We're then going to go into 12 dumbbell thrusters, back to 21 over and back dumbbell hop overs, 9 dumbbell clean and jerks, 21 dumbbell over and back hop overs, and 6 devil presses. Whatever time that you have remaining in that 5 minutes is going to be your rest, because at the top of that 5th minute, we're going to do this all over again. Once we're done with the first group or the first part, we're going to rest 2 minutes, and then we're going to do it again, but in reverse order. So we're going to start with dumbbell over and back, dumbbell hop overs, and we'll do 6 double presses. 21 over and back dumbbell hop overs, 9 dumbbell clean and jerks, 21, and then 12 dumbbell thrusters. Again, we're going with 5 minutes. So whatever time you have left before that 5 minute mark, that's your rest. At the top of that 5th minute, we'll then do this all over again. We want to be able to move quickly through this. The other thing is that because we're doing 2 sets, a lot of us only have maybe 1 dumbbell or 1 kettlebell. So say for the first go through, we'll do it with our right arm or our left arm, whichever one you decide to use. We'll just switch on the second group or the second set. We'll then rest the 2 minutes, and we'll, whatever you choose to start with on this second part, right or left, you'll then switch on the second set. I hope everyone understands that. So let's go over the work or the movements, and that'll be what we'll do now. For the dumbbell over and back, or for the over and back dumbbell hop over, it's basically just how it is. This is just meant to spike our heart rate. We want to be efficient and move smoothly doing this. Side note, 1 rep is over and back. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do that 21 times. Once we're done with that, the dumbbell thruster. Whatever side we decide to start with, nice, good position, good stance, squat down, and then drive up overhead. Squat down, and then drive up overhead. Once we're done with our 9 dumbbell thrusters, back to the over and back dumbbell hops. 1, 2, so on and so forth until we get to 21. After that, we have 9 dumbbell clean and jerks. Only one head of the dumbbell has to touch the ground. So however we want to do it, boom, dumbbell clean and jerk. If we want to push press it, we can push press it, push jerk it, however you want to do it, but come down, boom, clean and jerk. 9 of those. Back down to the ground. 21 over and back dumbbell hops. 1, 2, so on and so forth till we get to 21, and then we finish off with our devil presses. Down to the ground, and then that overhead movement. One more time, burpee to the ground, and then a dumbbell snatch essentially up overhead. Once we're done with that, we're going to rest for the remainder of the time within the 5 minutes. At the top of the 5th minute, we'll start all over again. And we'll switch sides, or switch arms, switch hands. Once we're done with that, we will rest 2 minutes. And then on the next series, we'll do the other 2 sets with the ascending rep scheme. Have a good time. It's going to be a good one.